Good morning and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland in Australia. I am doing a different composition today. I'm going to split it this way. That is the real bright red paint that I'm doing on one side, and I'll spread that out with my sponge brush all nice and evenly, hopefully. You can do the sides of your canvas at this point, or you can leave it till the end. It all depends. Sometimes if you're blowing the paint, you can leave it because then you can blow it over the edges. But I will go on this way and do that split composition in my really nice bright red. It's really bright and uplifting, and I really felt that I needed to paint in these colours today, so really hoping you enjoy this too. Going to use my palette knife with this one instead of the sponge brush and spread this out nicely. Okay. Take your time, enjoy the process. Remember, that's what it's really all about. No criticism from others, just enjoy the process. It's your art, your rules, your way. Jose, as my granddaughter would say. I'm going to just do a little bit of feathering on that side before I carry on with my next plan. Okay, okie dokie. Rightio. What I want to do is, where's it gone? This one. It's just a different composition again. Just trying different things. This is when it's blown out, or it comes into sort of like a purpley. I think it was my phthalo blue mixed with red, and what else did I have in it? Yeah, it was kind of like my berry delicious. Now, let me think. I think I'll go some gold in there. Where am I getting all this paint coming off on my hands? I haven't got my gloves on. I just wanted to paint, so I wasn't really prepared, was I? Okay. That's quite nice as it is. I'm going to just put a bit more paint on that. I don't really want to do much with that side except a little bit of tarting up, I suppose. This is navy, so they should look beautiful together. And then I will put a bit of cream on top of the navy. Try and keep it minimalistic, she says. Oh. Oh. Okay, a bit of the navy again. So I'm not sure whether to blow this out with my straw, which I wish I'd got it on my turner, because then you can kind of turn it around to, you know, suit yourself. So here goes. I will pretty that up, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be. Maybe I'll turn this whole thing around. Oh. kind of just thinking on your feet, like what next, what. You can definitely always go off tether to your original plan, which is my normal thing, but these usually turn out so lovely. I'll definitely be altering that, it'll pretty up soon. Oh, lovely. But I'm going to take it a step further. Obviously we'll pretty all this up in a second, but I really want to get a little thin strip of just plastic. Put some of my, just a little bit of my, what do you call it? It's Amsterdam Black with Floetrol, just to give me some lacy cells in that white. Let's just see how we go. Oh gosh, what did I do there? Oh, I'm going to leave that. Probably would have been fine not even adding this to this and just swooshing the colours out. Think I should go this side or not? Maybe just one or two, or maybe three. So it's just to add a bit of an effect, like it's floating, I guess. But that's very pretty, very happy with that. So. I was going to use my big balloon, but I don't think I will. I'll use this potato balloon, as I call it. Looks like a tater, and I'm going to go that way, so it gives a whole different effect than the balloon pushed the other way. If you've got excess paint, like you feel as though the paint's all falling in, wipe your balloon, kiss it again. And again, if you like. If you take a lot of the colour off, you can always squirt a little bit more colour on there. Ooh, pretty. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to smooth my sides up. I'm going to paint on the sides. And that's pretty much it. I think it's a really nice composition. It's lovely. Happy with that. Happy Jim. And that's it. That's the only person you have to please is yourself. It's your art therapy, and if you end up selling or gifting it, then that's, then that's good too. But the whole idea is the process, the journey, and not the destination, as they say. But I'm super happy with that. I haven't done that particular composition for a little while. Definitely done it before in different colours. Okay, I hope you like it. Let me know, please, if you give me a like or a comment. It always helps me, and it doesn't cost you guys anything. If you haven't already subscribed, then please do so. And my message to you, as always, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. And if that isn't at all possible, then please ring a helpline. There is always somebody there to help you, as long as we're willing to accept it. All right, my lovelies, bye for now. I just thought I would show you those little wispy bits that they came out with, the lovely little lacing in there. Even the blowout is beautiful. Even that sort of one that went AWOL is still very nice. See, they come out with the lovely like little cells and the flowers. They look quite beautiful now. I'm very happy with that. I love it. It's really nice composition. I'll definitely do that again with different colours. It actually dried beautifully. This is the dried version, but on that red, a moth landed on it during the night, had a little flutter around. You can kind of see some of the silk off the moths in the red, but I kind of just balloon kissed a little bit, and you know, it looks fine. So the moth added to the mixed media.